everyone, this is Faye. Today I will be showing you Sunmi Heroine inspired makeup tutorial, so let's get started. First, I'm going to prepare my skin for the makeup by applying a primer all over my face. And then I'm going to apply the foundation all over my face and blend it out evenly by using a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to cover my dark circles by using a cream concealer. And then I'm going to apply shimmery eye primer onto my eyelids. While waiting for it to dry, I'm going to fill in my eyebrow with an eyebrow powder. And then I'm going to use eyebrow pencil to make it more defined. Next, I'm going to make the color darker by applying black shadow on top of it. And now I'm going to apply sugar brown shading powder onto the side of my nose and onto my eyelid as well. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm going to apply shimmery dark yellow color all over my eyelids. And apply it a little bit onto my lower lid as well by using a smaller brush. Next, I'm going to apply light brown color onto the mobile eyelids and blend it out evenly. And then I'm going to apply dark brown color onto the other corner of my eyelid by using a blending brush. And then after that, I'm going to blend out the color more by using soft blending brush. Next, I'm going to apply the eyeliner onto my upper lash line. Make sure not to dry the tail longer than your real eyeline. And then I'm going to slightly smudge the tail by applying black shadow on top of it and blend it outwards a little bit. Next, applying the falsies. Choose the one with longer lashes at the other part. And then I'm going to apply the individual eyelashes on top of it. You can't see it in the video, but in real life it looks different. After that, I'm going to apply the mascara onto my lower lashes. And then apply the highlighter onto the center feathers on my face. Next, I'm going to contour my face with a shading powder. Next, I'm going to apply a brown blusher slightly onto my cheeks to give it a little bit of color. Last, I'm going to apply matte reddish taupe color lip tint onto my lips, and the makeup is done. Since my hair is not black, so it looks really different, but I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!